guys, welcome back to our YouTube video. Today we are playing a Wii again. Well, technically a GameCube game, but yeah. Yeah. Crap. Okay. So yeah, we are going to play it. We're going to play one level because Austin and Will aren't here, so we're gonna do a hard level. Well, a level that I know both of them don't like. So, oh yeah, I forgot. But yeah, this next level that I'm gonna do, I know both of my friends do not like. So, hello game. Game 2. It's not that one. Phantom Menace. I think it was on level 4. Los Escapades, okay? So we're doing this level. And we are going to do that. Cutscene. Try and get tree gen on. Yeah. Fun. Okay. I missed a mini kit. Got one. Okay. Now I just need to go down here. I missed that one. What? Aw, man, I died. Now you know these all my studs. Yes, but I got the mini kit this time. Yes, I got another mini kit. I got another mini kit. Whee! Another mini kit. Okay. Not past there. Mini kit. Another mini kit. Yeah, we're gonna almost get all the mini kits. Cutscene. Yes, I got that mini kit. We only need one more. Mini kit. me. I think I'm gonna make it. People really think this game is hard. This level is hard. Woohoo! We did it. Made it past there. I think I'm gonna get True Jedi. I think this is gonna be 100% on this level. Plus mini kit, let's go. Yes. No. I got all 10 mini kits and I really need True Jedi. Which I really hope I'm gonna get. At this point, I don't know if I'm gonna get it. We'll see. I probably will not get it. Yes, my second. We got through that part. Oh man, I'm not gonna get True Jedi at this rate. If only I had invincibility on me. Wow, that guy totally just killed me. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. I missed those? Come on. Yes. Bro, that spot right there. Did I lose coins for that? No? Okay, good. Oh gosh, I hit this part. Yes. I made it past that part. Ow. guys, that's the end of the level. Hope you enjoyed. Well, first we gotta see the mini build. Yay! All those blue ones. Blue stars everywhere. Bye guys, that's the end of the level.